Every year right about now, we get all sorts of requests from many of you who are looking for ways to use zucchini. And from what I can tell from your emails, you either grow zucchini in your garden and you have an endless supply, or you buy tons of it at the market since it's so darn cheap. Either way, I have a recipe that can turn that bounty into a change of pace bake that goes together like this. All we do after grating a few zucchini is add some beaten eggs, Parmesan cheese, some chopped onion, a good amount of flour, biscuit baking mix, a bit of vegetable oil, and a slew of spices, and give it a good mix. Then we pour it into an 8-inch square baking dish. While that bakes, we can throw some chicken in a grill pan or on the grill, and dinner is done in just minutes. When you cut this into squares, it won't be long before everyone is devouring your new creation. And once they do, you can bet they'll love it. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for zucchini squares, so you'll be armed with a recipe that is not only budget-friendly this time of year, but one that's truly amazing. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a summary way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Nice.